Is that Chris?
Alam ko mismo, meron akong maaabot. Inis ang tabi ko muna ang galit at puot. Musika sa aking utak ang nagsilbi kong gamot. Nagtulak ng musika sa hood ko pinaikot. Medyo mahaba pa ang lalakbayin netong bata. Sa sipag siguradong may magandang resulta. Di man lang tinamad, yun ang tangi kong sistema. Iba ang husay, pinakitaan ko ng pambihira. Malamuran kong gumalaw, iwan yung mga veterano. Rookie of the year kaya tawagin mong Dorobo. Maabot ang bituin kasama sa aking plano. Marunong lumipad din na kailangan eroplano. Tinahak ang pagsubok sa aking buhay. Maraming aral na natutunan sa aking paglalakbay. Pagsusulat ng obra ang nagsilbi kong tulay. Balang araw ay tingalain, bigyan ng pungay. Kung sipag ang usapan merong ibubuga. Malabong huminto hanggang huling hininga. Meron na akong pangarap, di na kailangan pahinga. Bukas ay ganun pa rin, panibagong umaga.
I got a big mouth, came out. I talk from my heart, I'm real. You know what I'm saying? Whatever comes, comes. But my controversy problem, and it's not my fault. I'm trying to find my way in the world. You know, I'm trying to be somebody instead of just make money off everybody. You know what I'm saying? And so I go down paths that haven't been traveled before, and I usually mess up. But I learn, you know what I'm saying? I come back stronger. You know, I'm not talking ignorant, you know what I'm saying? So I obviously put thought into what I do. So I think my mouth, my controversy. I have not been out of the paper since I joined Digital Underground. I've been in all, you know what I'm saying? It's never, my name has not been not uttered, you know what I'm saying? And that's good for me because I don't want to be forgotten. And if I'm forgotten, then that means I'm comfortable. And that means I think everything is okay.